I know that you love to eat good food, but what is one of your favorite ones is eggs, right?
Eggs, because they're high in protein. There's 6 grams of protein per egg. They're very good for us. And the yolk has all the nutrients that we need.
Welcome to another segment of Cooking with Love, brought to you by Health and Wellness Cookware and Happy Healthy Valley.
Well, we have this amazing guest today. We have my very best friend, my sister in Christ for 20 years or more than 20 years, Lizette Quintanilla.
Hello. We're very excited to be here.
And she's here today with her son Roy, who's visiting for the holidays, and it is my understanding that you make like the best
eggs.
Eggs.
And we're going to learn today.
Yes,
we're going
I
to be cooking sunny side up eggs today.
Okay, hey, my son, what are we cooking here today?
We're going to be making eggs, sunny side up eggs, which are very healthy for us. So,
all right, they're my
start-
favorite. My favorite.
And my favorite too.
Okay.
So to start, we're going to be testing the pan, making sure that the water is gliding, because when the water dances, it creates a gliding effect. So when you put the eggs, they're not going to stick. So let's test it. You see how the water is dancing?
Wow, okay, I'm gonna learn too because you make the best eggs.
So that means it's ready.
All right.
So for the base, the healthy fat that we're going to be doing is
Healthy
butter.
fat. Oh.
Butter is a very healthy fat to cook eggs in. So we're going to put just a little bit.
So that's at a medium temperature, right?
And then we'll get 1 egg. And immediately we are going to cover it.
Wow.
So we'll let that be here for a few minutes. And when you cook eggs, the key is to be gentle with the egg.
I know that you love to eat good food, but what is one of your favorite ones is eggs, right?
Eggs, because they're high in protein. There's 6 grams of protein per egg. They're very good for us. And the yolk has all the nutrients that we need.
And I know since you're away from home, if there's a meal that you would prefer, like for dinner, and you don't have meat or chicken, you make eggs, right?
4 eggs a day.
So about 2 minutes, right?
About 2 minutes, yeah. Perfect. And there you have it. Look at that, a perfect.
Oh, wow.
Over medium
Shall we
egg.
cut it? Let me see. Oh, wow. That looks so good. Look at that. Oh, wow. I love that. That's perfect.
Favorite. Amazing as always. Look at that.
Beautiful. Can't wait.
So to see more, make sure to follow us on Health and Wellness Cookware and
Happy Healthy Valley.